Hi, how you doing? Um, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm probably not gonna edit this. Probably not gonna show my face until a while. But yeah, I don't have anything to edit this with. So I'm building something over here. It's not this thing. It's this thing. This is a motherboard for a computer. I'm building my own computer. Like, I'm not making all the parts, but buying all the parts. This is $165. And then I got the case here. It's glass is all right here. It's beautiful. It's huge. It goes all the way down here to here. Yeah. And then I got myself a keyboard and a mouse. And hold on, see if you can see it. Wait. No, wrong side. Hold on. And I got myself an LG Blu-ray drive, or not a drive, a disc thing. And the cords for it. So, okay. No, come back. Okay, there we go. Yeah. I really don't know what to do on this channel. It's like my first video in a while. There's not a while because I never uploaded a video. Yeah, it looks like that. It's beautiful. Yeah, I really don't know what to make in these videos. Comment what you want to see. And goodbye.